Are you privy to the final details of the 4-hour meeting? From a distance, one can rule out that Cyril may have delivered a serious message. Sanapenda mashoko konzi everyone are curious kuda kuziva kuti the 4-hour meeting yakanga iri pakati peZimbabwe neSouth Africa Precab farm paimbotaurwa nezvei amongst zviganandas. Don't forget to subscribe or like on the bell icon. Upo chimwono eso pakona after I expose now aiwa yekuti South Africa ichasapota mutungamiri wenyika aiwa ichaavoida kuti a coup isaitwa against him. Anobuda nyora achiti, I think I explained in the article that my source was not in the 4-hour meeting that it took place involving President Emmerson Mnangagwa of Zimbabwe and Cyril Ramaphosa of South Africa along with ZVAITWA nekuda kuchitangurei. What I reported is what President Ramaphosa said while they were moving around the farm. That is what my source was able to capture, and that is what I reported. The problem with many of us is that we get angry when facts are put before us that do not align with our thinking or our desires. It is not my job to manufacture or suppress information. My job as a journalist is to report what happened. I was the first journalist to report that President Cyril Ramaphosa was coming to Zimbabwe the day before. This meeting was meant to be secret, but I broke that story. I also reported what President Ramaphosa said while they were moving around the farm. Those are the facts. If what I reported is not true, President Ramaphosa or his information department can come out and say that this journalist is not telling the truth. I do not report things that are incorrect. I report what has been said. Ndoma developments obuda panguva ine upo chikono achiva volatile after vanhu vari kuuya vachimubvunza chimuti mboti pama details of the 4-hour meeting, but it seems like no one knows except madelegates akakwaniswa kuti attend this high level meeting. In the comment section menu dzofungira any more to leave pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.